Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, we're going to learn how to check your data usage in Windows 11. Whether you're trying to monitor your Wi-Fi or Ethernet data, first, right-click on the Start icon on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Windows Settings window. Next, in the Settings panel, click on Network and Internet from the list on the left side. Then, look at the top of the window and you'll notice a section labeled Data Usage. You'll see two options, one for Wi-Fi and one for Ethernet. Choose the type of connection you want to review. Finally, after selecting your connection type, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your total data usage and how much data each app has used. This helps you identify which applications are consuming the most bandwidth, so you can manage your internet usage more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.